Yesterday I picked up this, shall we say, cosmetically challenged Starfire as a parts bike for my build. It came as an on-runner, but it's run previously, whenever that was, who knows. New battery fitted by the bloke that sold it. I'm supposed to be sparking, so I've got to clean the carb up because the jets are blocked, and then let's see if we can get it running. I've took the carb off the bike, stripped it down, and now it's in the ultrasonic cleaner. Water's nice and clean at the moment. Let's see how dirty it gets. Stick it in for an hour on the highest temperature and hope for the best. Let's see if we get this bike started. Well, the carb's out of the cleaner. It's looking a lot better than before. Had a quick look at the main jet. That seems to be clear now, so I'm assuming that the other jets will be clear as well. Time to put it back on the bike and see if it works. So put the carb back on the bike and give the carb a tickle. Fuel coming out. Kicked it a few times, nothing happening. Smell of fuel there, so I think the fuel's getting through, but it seems that we may have a spark issue. So we'll start looking into that, do a bit of diagnostics on that, look at the points, look at the spark plug, spark cap, all those kind of things. See where we get to with that. So back in the shed on the Starfire, we had an open circuit spark plug cap. I've changed the spark plug to a new one. The point cap was too wide, so that's been adjusted to be right. Cleaned all the points as well, and checked the valve gaps. They were tight, so I've released them a bit as well. Got to a point whereby when I kicked it, the bike would cough, kick, cough, kick, cough. Had a spark. Looks like it wanted to go, but still wouldn't go. So it was time then to look into the engine a bit more. Stuck a compression tester on it, and it read 25 psi. So obviously with 25 psi, that's not going to work. So took the head off, have a look what was going on. Piston actually looks not so bad. There's not really a great deal of scoring on the barrel cylinder. So had a little bit more look at the head, and if you notice just how raised those valves are, so we can just see the shadow there on that side as well. Really are sitting quite high. Put some petrol inside, and the inlet valve is leaking, so that's why we've got no compression. To show you on another one the difference, look how seated those are compared to that one. Okay, so what I've decided is take the engine out of the donor bike and swap everything onto the main bike and then build it up. But first of all, I think we need to sort the head out, take the valves out, lap them in, make sure there's no leakage, and go from there. One thing I did notice was on these heads, the one from the bike is a PBM 2. Okay, and if you look at the valves on this, they are quite tall. And also the collet arrangement is very much like that. But on this PBM 1 head, the valves are quite short. And the collet arrangement is different. So if anyone knows anything about the difference between a PBM 1 head and a PBM 2 head, and which one is the most advantageous for the build, let me know. Drop it into the comments. Doesn't happen like that in Henry Cole world. Sam just messes with the points and cleans the carb and it bursts into life. Ah well.